Respiratory Therapy 1540 Online Module 8. This is the instructions for Module 8, which basically says read Egan's Chapter 3 and answer the questions. So let's go to Egan's Module 8 questions. And it says chapter objective questions. And you've done this for chapters 1 and 2. It's pretty much the same. Let's go through the first question to see if there's anything different. Describe how to apply good body mechanics and posture to moving patients. Your answer should be around 40 to 60 words depending on your writing style. So remember to restate your question. It would say, according to Egan's, good body mechanics and posture to moving patients involve, and make sure you put everything that's in Egan's in your own words. And if you want to, browse the internet for any other pearls you can find to add to that question so you can get bonus points. There is a couple other things that are different. Is question 4. Starting on page 44, you will find improving communication skills. State an example where you did not use one or more of these skills and how the outcome was bad, and how you used one of these skills and how the outcome turned out well. So there's a lot of questions here. What you should do to help me give you full points is you can say on page 44 of Egan's, it has improving communication skills. An example where I did use one of these skills, and you would say the skills, the outcome was good or bad, and the skill I used to help it turn better was. So I just want to make sure that you answer all these questions in here so you can get full points. A good way of checking to see if your answer is good is to write your answers on a word processor or on paper and pencil, and then let a friend or a spouse read your answer and have them grade you to make sure that they understand. And so they should be able to understand your answer without even reading the question. So that would be a good way of determining if your question or your answer is good or not. There's only 2 key terms here. There are 2 acronyms, RACE and SOAP, and they're in your text. So you would say RACE means, well, in this case, it has to do with fire. I think it's rescue, alarm, contain, and extinguish. And so to get full points, you would say rescue means and so on. Then there's cleaning minis, and it gives you directions of how to do the cleaning minis, but you've done this once already, so you should pretty much know how to do this. And again, if you have any questions on these questions or how you should answer them, what you can do is email me the question and your answer, and I would help you get to your full points on your answers. So have fun with this and learn lots.